How's everyone doing today? It's the community's favorite banker, and welcome to CEO Talks. On today's episode, I want to cover 3 big items that I hope is of value to my community: business basics, budgeting basics, and credit score basics. Congratulations, all my fellow entrepreneurs. You guys are taking the next step in your financial dream. A lot of entrepreneurs keep their business income expenses under the personal account. Keeping things separated is going to keep peace of mind for yourself. Do you guys ever feel like you get paid and that money is gone, just flying out the window? After you keep everything categorized, the next step is, what do you want to achieve? The credit score is calculated by 5 different buckets. All 5 buckets play a role into your credit score. Stay safe with your business basics, budgeting basics, credit score basics. How's everyone doing today? It's the community's favorite banker. My name's Alicio Castaneda. I'm the branch manager for Burke & Herbert Bank in Manassas, and welcome to CEO Talks. On today's episode, I want to cover 3 big items that I hope is of value to my community. Those 3 items that I'm going to cover today: business basics, budgeting basics, and credit score basics. Let's go ahead and kick it off with business basics. Congratulations, all my fellow entrepreneurs. You guys are taking the next step in your financial dream, your financial journey. There is one step that is often overlooked for my entrepreneurs. Unfortunately, that is separating your finances. A lot of entrepreneurs keep their business income expenses under the personal account, but I'm here to advise you guys to definitely separate that business checking account, personal checking account. That's going to keep you motivated, keep you at a peace of mind, especially during tax season. Imagine you go to your accountant, your tax preparer, you have everything under your personal account. It's going to be a big headache, take a lot longer, because then you have to explain to your accountant, your tax preparer, on Tuesday was Taco Tuesday, so I went without some friends, but I also had a lunch meeting, so that was a business expense. Keeping things separated is going to keep peace of mind for yourself, ensure the financial milestones are hit for your business in order for you to succeed. So now the next thing I want to go into is going to be budgeting basics. Do you guys ever feel like you get paid and that money is gone, just flying out the window? Trust me, you're not alone. I think we've all experienced that. Budgeting is one key to keep peace of mind as well and keep you sane. Budgeting is not about restrictions. You're not going to be shackled up. It's about awareness. You want to track your money. You want to know exactly where it's going. So the first step in budgeting is keeping track of every dollar spent. There's different ways to keep track of your items. You can either do it via applications on the web, your mobile phone, a spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet, or Google Sheets, or the traditional route that I think a lot of us still do is pen and paper. Once you keep track of every dollar spent, you want to categorize where those buckets are going into. You specifically want to think about it as needs versus your wants. So your needs are keeping a roof over your head, mortgage or rent, your utilities, groceries, gasoline, insurance. Those are the needs. Now, on the other hand, your wants is, if you want to take your significant other out on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday night, 3 nights in a row, that's more of a want. If you keep going back to Taco Tuesday, keep going to the same bars every Friday, Saturday night, those are wants. Once you keep your buckets organized, you really start seeing how much money there is potential saving on your wants. After you keep everything categorized, the next step is, what do you want to achieve? Do you want to pay down debt, whether it's your mortgage, car loan, student loans? Do you want to save up a down payment for an auto loan or for the house of your dreams? Or do you simply want to have your emergency savings in case of a rainy day? And finally, let's go ahead and do credit score basics. Think of your credit score as your financial reputation. We all got a reputation, whether it's your personal reputation at home with your friends and family, or your business reputation when you go out to place of business, networking events, different gatherings. Finance institutions look at your credit score as your history, your reputation. That is why it is based on a number. It's a 3-digit number. It can go as low as 300 and go as high as 850. Financial institutions look at the credit score as your credit worthiness. It is your ability as a consumer to pay back the money you have borrowed. So the higher the credit score you have means higher credit worthiness. usually means that you may have the best terms available to you, whether it's the interest rate or the length of the term itself. Contrary, the lower your credit score means the lower your credit worthiness. That means your reputation financially to a bank is going to be bad. You may not be approved for the loan you're looking for. And if you are approved, you may possibly have very bad terms when it comes to interest rate or the length of the term itself. The credit score is calculated by 5 different buckets. It is your payment history. It is the length of your credit history. It is the types of credit, new inquiries, and then lastly, it is the balance owed. You want to stay on top of all these items as much as possible. Don't favor one over the other. Even though some of them have higher percentages in the accountability towards you, keep in mind all 5 buckets play a role into your credit score. So ultimately, stay safe with your business basics, budgeting basics, credit score basics. If you guys want to learn more, have any more questions for me, you can find me on Facebook and Instagram, Alicio Castaneda. You can also visit my branch. I'm more than happy to welcome you guys. The address is 9757 Fairway in Manassas, Virginia, near Old Town Manassas off Route 28 and Godwin Drive. Thank you guys for coming to CEO Talks.